So this is just gonna be a little video on, as you can see from the title, we got a FMF pipe for the pit bike. So it should be fun to see how it sounds. We got some installation today, so I'll show you all how to do that. So yeah, I guess cut to you putting it on, I guess. First, I gotta obviously open it. So. Ooh, this thing looks awesome. Oh, oh, I'm joking. I'm not gonna drop it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks sick, to be honest. It's like nice. And yes, I am gonna use the heat shield because it's a pit bike and my dad needs to ride it sometimes. So yeah, I know it doesn't look as good, but it's not gonna. I know it doesn't look as good, but I'm not trying to put a ding in the pipe too. So yeah, where's the tools? 8mm, I think. Yeah, it is. So 8mm. Take off. Dude, it says 8 on the book. What? No way. $10mm. Okay, I guess it's a 10mm. They should put 10 on it instead of 8. That would make more sense. Okay, one bolt done. Oh, yep, and then it starts falling off. There you go. Then, now you got your plastic off. So, where did I put it up? So, then, I think this is a 10mm. So, most of this you're going to use a 10mm. So then you want to start unscrewing your pipe. I think. Yeah. No, I'm joking. I know. But, you did not see that. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to put everything under the, right under the what's it called? The plastic. You didn't. Okay, so we got that off. Now let's see. Where did I put my ID to? That's rusty. Oh, it's just a nut on there. Okay. Put that under there. Dang, this thing's gross. Okay, maybe I'll try from the other side. But that is definitely really rusty. Yeah. Okay. Ow! Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit hard. It's gonna be a little bit harder than I thought it would. Oh, there it goes. And you see it starts wiggling off. Wiggle. Okay. Now this is off. The other nut. So there's just gonna be 2 nuts on there. It should be fairly. Oh. Come off or something? Like, isn't that how it's supposed to work? Ah! I probably look like a total noob about this. Okay. So I don't want to knock it with the hammer. That'll probably break something. Ah! Seems to be what good. Right doing that. Jeez, how hard? Oh. Y'all did not see that. I wasn't struggling ever. And, you know, because I never struggle at this stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So, now we need... Now, where's my... Where is everything, bro? Oh, there it is. There you go. Just, scoop. Oh. So, if you're going to do what I'm going to do, so right here you want to unscrew all these, bolts. Or not. Yeah, that's not coming out. Okay. Looks like we're going to have a bunch of dings in our pipe. Let me try it one more time. Oh, there it is. So, now you can put it on. So, Dad, can you hold it?
Yep.
I don't want it to...
Get hot?
No.
Oh.
I don't want it to...
Get scraped up?
Yeah. Down.
There wasn't a gasket or anything that goes in there?
Nope. Yeah. It slides off. Yeah. Jeez, how come I can't put it in there?
Keep going.
No. Then lower it down.
Look how much lower.
Oh, got it.
Got it?
No, I got it. Oh, to 10. Can you get the 10 millimeter? Oh, it's right behind me. Never mind.
Okay.
Okay, so what you want to do, you want to put those two down there, like the nuts on, and you got to fit the little thing on it. I forgot what it's called. But, okay. Now, what we do you want to go from back to back, so don't tighten both up. So don't tighten one up and leave the other one because it leaves it bent, or like swiveled, I guess. There. So now that's on. Now I guess we can. Oh my gosh, that bolt is bigger, so that bolt is a little bit bigger. So you're gonna need a 12 millimeter. Yeah, 12 millimeter. So you gotta put a spacer in. It comes with a spacer inside of the package that it gives you. That they give you. So there you go. It's now your FMF pipe is completely on. So, Dad, should I put the plastic on, or should I just start it and then see?
Do you have the top one? I didn't tighten that down
Yeah,
all
I
the
did.
way.
I did.
You think that's in the right spot?
Yeah, it is.
Test it without the plastics just to see if it's leaking anywhere.
Okay. Okay. Of course, that don't.
Did you already do the before? Like,
I have a video of it, and I forgot to turn everything on. That's probably it. This is the worst for a video.
it's the magic of editing.
Back out. Dang it, it is so hot today. I'm going to do a video at my friend's house. But, yeah, so this is like a little video of Definitely sounds better.
Lower, isn't it?
Yeah. So, what you want to do is check for leaks. And we're trying to put it on the video thing.
I was just going to take your picture, but
Oh.
you're fine.
Alright, so this was shaking a little bit. So you want to just make sure everything's tightened down. Listen for any leaks. So, yeah. I can smell the new pipe smell burning. Smoking because of the new pipe. It's not smoking anymore, but it was. So, I'll put y'all. So I gotta let it warm up a little bit. Dude, that sounds so good. I'm gonna warm up a little bit more. Alright, I'm gonna pause it just so. Oh, how did I get no dirt? Alright, so I need to adjust the idle. Just 1 second. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit more. Yeah, that was the whole video of just the sound comparison of FMF and the stock exhaust. So, see y'all in the next video. Peace.